Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can block pop-ups and redirects in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, here in the Opera browser, click into the icon in the top left, navigate to settings, or is the shortcut Alt-P. And inside your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security and choose site settings. Here in your site settings, scroll down like I did here, till you get to the content section and choose pop-ups and redirects. And here what you want to do is set up a default behavior or rule. So what you want to do is, if this option has been chosen, as a default behavior is to switch to don't allow sites to send these pop-ups and redirects, so that Opera may block these entirely. Of course, you can always set an exceptional rule for each one of these general rules. For instance, if you'd like to give a specific website the exceptional permission to send you these pop-ups and redirects, or vice versa, not allow specific websites, although keeping it generally open here. So that's up to you guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.